If you help Blaze knock rocks into the lava, you can build a rock bridge to drive across. That Ankylosaurus has a strong tail. If you build a tail like that for Blaze, he can knock big rocks into the lava for the bridge. Press the spacebar to help transform Blaze into an Ankylosaurus monster machine. Keep pressing the spacebar. All right! Blaze is an Ankylosaurus monster machine! More rocks are rolling your way. Keep hitting them to make the rock bridge. When you help Blaze hit a rock, you get a Dino token. Smaller rocks will fly the farthest. Don't smash lava rocks, they're hot. All right, avoid the cracked rocks. They just break when you hit them. Awesome! Congrats! Smaller rocks will fly the farthest. Nice one! Smaller rocks will fly the farthest. Great! Yeah, you made the bridge. Keep going. You have to save Zeg from that sticky mud pit. Lug nuts! That giant rock is blocking the way to get to Zeg. Blaze needs something strong enough to crush that giant rock. If only Blaze had powerful jaws like that T-Rex. Hey, you can design powerful T-Rex jaws. Press the spacebar to help transform Blaze into a Tyrannosaurus monster machine. Keep pressing the spacebar. All right! Blaze is a Tyrannosaurus monster machine! Move toward a rock to chomp it. Chomping the rocks gives you more Dino tokens. Yellow, blue, purple. Keep collecting Dino tokens to help Blaze get blazing speed. Watch out for lava rocks from the volcano. They're hot. Woohoo! Yeah! Woohoo! Speed boost, yeah! Ride over speed boost to go super fast. Red. Green. Watch out for the geysers. Whoa! Keep collecting Dino tokens. Baskets. There are even sideways geysers. Keep collecting Dino tokens to help Blaze get blazing speed so he can rescue Zeg. Woohoo! Yeah! Woohoo! Watch out for your Ankylosaurus friends. Keep collecting Dino tokens to help Blaze get blazing speed so he can rescue Zeg. Those rocky spots are really shaky. Great chomping! Chomping the rocks gives you more Dino tokens. Keep collecting Dino tokens. You did it! You used force to chomp through all the rocks. Put the pedal to the metal so you can get to Zeg. Blaze can't drive into the sticky mud or he'll get stuck too. You have to help him design a solution. Blaze needs wings like that truckadactyl to fly over the mud pit and steer around the sticky mud bubbles. Press the spacebar to help transform Blaze into a truckadactyl monster machine. Keep pressing the spacebar. Blaze is a truckadactyl monster machine! Keep going and get to Zeg! Keep collecting Dino tokens to help Blaze get blazing speed so he can rescue Zeg. Woohoo! Now you're speeding through the sky. Woohoo! What a ride! Nice flying! Watch out for the mud bubbles! Loving that loop! Woohoo! Woohoo! What a ride! Loving that loop! Woohoo! What a ride! Loving that loop! Yeah! Woohoo! What a ride! Loving that loop! Keep going and get to Zeg! Look! It's Zeg! Nice flying! Help Blaze use his tow cable to rescue Zeg! Time to use those Dino tokens! Time for blazing speed! Press the spacebar to give him blazing speed! You're helping Blaze use force to pull Zeg out of the mud and lift to bring him high into the sky. Keep pressing the spacebar. Keep pressing the spacebar. Keep pressing the spacebar. Zeg is free! Great job! You rescued Zeg from that sticky mud! Click play again if you want to play again.